Hi guys, I just wanted to check in. It is day 2 of my Onyx Metallic Croc Job. You know I like to give stuff names. Anyway, let's check in on my DPA members. Let's see how they're doing. Okay, let me give you guys an up close. We are about maybe, I'd say 80% done with this accent wall, actually the first layer, which is the croc texture. Kenya's working on another panel. We got up above the door done, but it's looking really good. And Ashley is working the next panel above the door. But the thing about the croc, you gotta work it in sections, definitely. And if you guys want to learn this technique, come on into my academy. Jump on in. I'm doing half off sale off the tuition. But if you've been wanting to join or interested in joining the academy, running like I said, a sale on the tuition, so it's $3,500 for this week. But yeah, I would love to see you guys on the inside. We are ending day 2 of the croc job, Onyx Croc, and it is looking fabulous. Kenya's finishing up some last minute touch-ups. But I'll show you guys what we got going on. How was today?
Oh, it was wonderful.
You did really good today. Did you feel more confident?
I did. I got the trowel down a little bit more.
Yes.
I don't sound perfect yet.
You definitely did really good today. All right, Ashley, what did you think about today?
It was good. I enjoyed it.
So how did...
a lot more confident.
Okay.
Using the trowel.
So compare yesterday and today.
Today was much better. I think it went a lot smoother.
Yeah, looks
good. Getting the feel of the trowel, knowing how much to put on, so it's not heavy and runny.
Yeah, let me show you Ashley's work. It's looking good.